When the first backup officer arrived, Tanya was on the floor near the entry. A single wound to the chest. Officer Reeves stood a few feet away, gun drawn, breathing heavily. He told his partner she had come at him in the kitchen. But when investigators searched, the knife was found on the couch. Within hours, their mother placed police and requested assistance from the State Bureau of Investigation. Initial reports were vague. Officer-involved shooting during domestic disturbance response. Tanya's family woke to phone calls before dawn. Her mother, Clara Lewis, said she first thought Tanya had been attacked by police, not by the person dispatched to help her. For days, officials said little. Then word spread that Reeves' body camera video had captured the incident. When the footage was finally reviewed,